Okay, you guys, welcome back to my channel and all the newbies. We're just gonna hop right into this look, and I'm gonna be using my favorite concealer, which is LA Girl concealer, and of course P.LOUISE. If you guys see my other videos, we're gonna go ahead and start prepping our eyeshadow and just gonna put that on our eyelids, and then we're gonna take a really good blending brush like I'm doing, and we're just gonna go ahead and blend that in. Seen this palette before. This is the James Charles palette. I'm going to take that color black and go ahead and start basically putting that right above the crease. Take that light brown color, and we are going to basically start making circular motions right above the crease, right where we put that black eyeshadow, and we want to just do very small you know, gentle strokes as I'm doing here. Of course it doesn't look like they're gentle, I'm going kind of fast. But you want to make sure that you're doing just gentle strokes in a circular motion. Okay, you guys, now we're going to take a Q-tip and some makeup remover or a makeup wipe and just rub it together, and then rub the Q-tip on your eyelid right above the crease so you can start cleaning up this look, because we, of course, are going to cut the crease. So you want to make sure you're doing very gentle strokes as I'm doing here, so that this look comes out very nice and clean, and that the makeup doesn't blend in with the white concealer that we're going to use to cut the crease. Okay, you guys, I don't know what the hell happened, but I didn't record me grabbing my Glamlite paint palette to put the gold on top of the orange. So that's what I did with this look for the eyeshadow. And now I'm just taking my ARACELI black eyeliner, and now I'm going to be just drawing on the eyeliner for this look. Take some concealer. I'm going to be using the NYX concealer, so we can go ahead and start contouring our face. This is my first time trying this concealer, and I would have to say I would give it thousands of thumbs ups because it's a really good concealer compared to other ones I've used in the past. So now I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette in the color Jada, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash with this Morphe brush. And I'm just going to gently do gentle strokes, you know, putting the shadow on my lower lash. And here's the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. And for all you newbies, thank you also. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment if you have not. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.